Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Hi Peter, first let's discuss the most popular trading instrument. Let's find out your short-term outlook for the euro-dollar pair.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that there is a strong downward trend and momentum on this currency pair. I don't see any big sign of reversal on the upside, and this is basically a sign that sellers are still present and that you should watch for a selling opportunities on this currency pair. The euro dollar is trading below the 20 exponential moving average and is trading in the downward Keltner channel, which are basically signs that that this downward momentum is still basically present. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair with the downward targets at the price of 1.1175 and the second downward target at the price of 1.1113. The key resistance on this currency pair is set at the price of 1.1250. Again, due to the strong downward environment and the trend condition, you should watch for selling opportunities because it's always better to go with the direction of the trend as long as there is no big signs of reversal. So watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
Could you please share your trading recommendation on the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, we got a basically similar picture like we got on the euro versus US dollar. Basically, there is a strong resistance trend line, and every time the price try to go and break this resistance trend line, and basically buyers don't have power for that, and we always got rejection, and this is the same case currently on this currency pair. The price is basically trading. We got a few days of the few bullish days, and the rate of change basically. The two-period rate of change suggesting us that there is a potential downward leg incoming on the British pound versus US dollar. So watch for selling opportunities with the downward targets at the price of 1.2980 and 1.2835. The key resistance from other side is set at the price of 1.3200 level. Again, resistance trend line is holding and is long. As long as we see that this resistance is holding, this is confirmation of the downward trend on the British pound versus US dollar. So watch for selling opportunities.
And what trading strategy on the Canadian versus the US dollar pair would you advise?
I decided to cover the USD Canadian dollar because I see the very good pattern on this currency pair. According to a daily time frame, there is an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is one of the strongest reversal patterns that we have, and there is a breakout of the neckline in the background, successful retest of that neckline. So I do expect the strength on the US dollar generally overall, and the USD Canadian dollar may go to visit 1.3458, and projection for this head and shoulders inverted pattern is at 1.3612. The support is basically set at the price of 1.3240. So again, overall, in the incoming week, I see basically the potential strength on the US dollar. So I expect the bearish movement on the euro dollar and the British pound, and the bullish movement on the USD Canadian dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.